Well, I'm 53.
Yep.
And I am in menopause.
Okay.
Currently in menopause, and it sucks. Up all night,
Right.
hot, cold, leg out of the bed, in
Yep.
the bed, not sleeping. My partner snores, I snore, and
Got it.
short of putting a pillow over his face, I need some
Don't
help.
put a pillow over his head. We've got a couple of things out there. First things first, if you do snore and your partner snores, if you think that your partner could have something called sleep apnea, or you think you could, talk with your doctor. But for snoring, believe it or not, now there are on the market, there are mouth guards. So there are a lot of different mouth guards that are out there. The ones that people want to look for are ones that are actually movable, because by moving the jaw slightly forward, you open up the airway and you stop that level of snoring, which is good.
Shut up.
There's also, these are actually internal nasal dilators. They go inside the nose, watch, like that.
Wow.
It's super simple. You can't see it in 30 seconds. You can't feel it, and it levels out snoring completely. If I have a beer, my wife is like,
Will
"Go
you
put the
order me
nose
some of
thingy
them
in."
for John? I don't want to take those.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Those are cool.
Yeah, these are pretty cool. And then you can get them at any Walgreens that are
You
out
get them
there.
at the drugstore.
Yeah, you can get them at any Walgreens. I think they're called Mute. So they're pretty
Mute.
neat. Mute, like mute, hit the mute
Mute
button.
the person.
Now we've also got a dietary recommendation as well. So there are these things out there called phytoestrogens. These are foods that have help you naturally produce estrogen, because during menopause, that's kind of what's going away. So right over here, if we go right over here, we can take a look.
Come on over here.
Come on, check it out.
You come this way.
Okay,
Here.
thank you.
All right.
So what we've got here are a whole different setup of foods, all of which can help promote estrogen. Now, one question that people always ask is, well, could I have a concern for something like breast cancer if I start eating these things and things like that? Absolutely not. So what's nice about phytoestrogens is they actually help decrease the availability of the estrogen that could lead to breast cancer and increase all of the other estrogen that's kind of the good estrogen versus the bad estrogen. So all of these are things that people should be including in their diet.
So these are just preventative care. So let's just break down what we have here briefly. Legumes, right?
Right, absolutely.
So we have beans, we have
nuts.
peanuts.
Right.
I'll take some.
And then we've got these kind of leafy greens along with some citrus fruits as well.
Excellent.
So it's all good stuff that people should be eating anyway. But
I
another
have
great
all of
reason.
this stuff at home.
Yeah, there you go.
Nicely done.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Bruce. You guys can catch more of his great advice at thesleepdoctor.com.